So it happened. You got the call on your dream job. You're traveling to Egypt to shoot the project that has just been burning in your heart for years. Everything comes together. You've checked your list a million times. You've got everything packed. You've got your cameras, you've got your cards, you've got your drives, you've got your stands, you've got backups for your backups. You are ready to go. You're on the plane. Your shot lists are just brewing in your mind. You get to customs and all your gear is confiscated. These things can happen. If you're traveling internationally with a bunch of gear, save yourself a huge potential headache and secure a carnet. A carnet is a customs document that allows for temporary import of industry-specific gear. In simple terms, it's like a travel visa for your gear. It allows you to move through customs without being subject to duties or import taxes. And it also acts as a promise that you're not going to try and sell the gear in that country. You're going to take it with you when you leave. All of your gear is checked against this carnet when you are entering the country, when you're leaving the country. Carnets apply to hard goods only. They don't cover consumables like gaff tape and disposable batteries. The carnet form will list all of the gear in your possession, complete with serial numbers and purchase information as proof of ownership. There's also an area on the form to list non-numbered items like stands and extension cords. Over 80 countries and territories either recognize or require a carnet. The tricky thing is each territory can kind of have a little bit different rules or regulations. Your best bet is to go through a carnet service. Now, this is something you can do kind of on your own. You can make your list of serial numbers. You can have all that in your pocket, but the carnet service is going to make sure everything is squared away and filled out as it should be. They're going to make sure all your numbers and your information are correct. They're going to make sure the forms are filled out correctly. And most importantly, they notarize that form to make it legal in the eyes of the customs agents. Plenty of people travel without a carnet, but the one time you get flagged in customs, you're going to be so happy that you have this with you. Without a carnet, all your gear can be held up in customs, and they don't care that you've got to shoot the next day. Keep in mind, this is by no means intended to be a comprehensive description of the process, but just more of a primer to make sure you're doing the proper research to ensure a successful production. Check the link in the description for more information about carnet services. Happy travels.